Well, here's our SE2A here. It's just pulling 80 leads up the tree just. You see them flashing. I'll just give her a bit more throttle. There she is. She's doing that quite nice off that little generator there, but I did this for a reason, and that was to have a look and concentrate on the chuff. If I add this little piece of pipe in here, which is just a little piece of 1/2 inch pipe, and drop that in, she makes a nice little chuff. But when it gets hot, the chuff goes away. We can also add another piece of pipe, and that gives quite a nice little chuff. Down that long piece of pipe. But what I came up with was just a piece of 1/2 inch brass tube with a little bracket on there, and we find that although the chuff is only a little bit on the light side, it'll maintain it right through the revs. So that's what I've settled on as being average. I don't know if it'll work with an SE2A. I've just got to set it up and try it, but there it is. I declare that is chuffing. When you're sitting beside it like I am here, just at the table, that is chuffing away. There's no chuff there. By far that is the loudest chuff. But if I add a piece of pipe over it, it does chuff a little bit, but when it gets all hot, we lose the chuff. So there it is. Just a little chuff there now. But the tube quickly heats up, and for some reason when the tube gets hot, the chuff goes away. So there it is. A bit more throttle. Once again, that is pulling 80 leads up that tree. Just another little thing to burn my fingers on. Thanks for watching.